Andis T outliner trimmer. Good trimmer, highly rated. But my only issue with the trimmer is I got this in March. The blade is very delicate. It fell off my counter, my restroom counter, hit the ground. It's linoleum flooring, and the tip broke off. It's happened before long ago, so I have to buy a replacement. So, my opinion, very delicate, very fragile. Just be very careful using the T outliner. If you drop it, more likely it's gonna break the corner. So, wish they would be more durable, but it is what it is. So, thought I'd just share. So with that being said, we're gonna change the blade. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off these two screws, 1, 2. So let's go ahead and do that. We have the brand new blade. This little circle right here is gonna go in here, like so. Put the screws back on there. There you go. Very simple. So we have them on there. So before you put it super tight, make sure it's lined up. See, it's a little off, so just make the proper adjustment. Looks about right. Then just tighten them up snug, not super hard, but just snug. Add some oil, plug it in, test them out.